Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. Guys, don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how we did our simple and easy a small garden beds. As you can see in this video, we're doing the door for my garden bed. Yeah, I would like to have a door where you open and close so there's no special creatures coming and damage my gardens. In your DIY, make sure you have safety protection, just like what I'm doing. I have masks and gloves to protect myself. Now we are ready to go outside and start building the garden beds for my plants. They are my helpers.
Yeah, so we kind of just leveled out an area back here. So there's roots and stuff, which we're trying to kind of get rid of.
Oh, we gotta put the black thing first, right?
Yeah, we don't have that.
We gotta buy it first, right?
No, well,
My kids basically. Supposed to have like a something to attach in every corner, but what we did, we just drilled it and we measures and level it up to make sure that it looks like square. I think it's all up to you it's all up to you guys whether you want to put something on the corner, on the four corners, or you just want to drill it. For right now, we're just only putting the woods on each corner so it will attach to the second level, the second wood that we're gonna add up to the first wood. I hope I make sense. We're doing our first DIY garden bed, so there's a lot of trials and errors, and yeah, and we'll see what it's gonna be look like after. So the woods, all the woods that we are using right now, they are already sealed, eco-friendly, sealed for the gardens, for your gardens, to make sure you seal the wood first so it will not, easily rotten, it will not easily get mold.
We gotta get it from those.
That's the second wood. If you can see, that's why we put the brown woods on the four corners, so it will easily drilled to that wood, as you can see right now. So what happened was, this was not the original plan, the original garden bed that we planned to make, but for some reason, because this is our first DIY garden bed, so expect a lot of errors, mistakes. So we kind of decided to make changes. It is good to teach the boys, the kids, to do some drilling, but make sure you guide them, and they need proper guidance so they don't get hurt.
And I'll help you. Go ahead and do it, and I'll help you. Go ahead. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but okay. Pull it straight out.
I wanted my garden bed with chicken wire around it, so there's no, to prevent any special creatures going inside my garden. So they added up the four long woods so we can, wrap around the chicken wire. On the first corner, already added the chicken wire and put the wood in the middle to attach the chicken wire. And before you put the soil, these are the dirt, like the leaves, the stem, from the backyard, to raise up the garden bed and to save up some soil. And the black cloth over there, you have to put that one first before you put the dirt and the soil. And then after that, we went to Lowe's to get the garden soil. At that time, they have like five garden soil for $10. We use almost 10 bags of garden soil for that garden bed, and it's still not done. Almost done, I might say. That we already added the doors, and now we attach some magnet. We're not sure if that's gonna work, and I really wanted to put additional chicken wire on the top so there's no like falling leaves or whatsoever. But this time I'm happy. We're happy for the outcomes of my garden bed. I'm still not done on the ground because I wanted to put some the favors that also on sale at that time. They're like $5 and I need to get more plants, herb, and vegetable. That time they have like a four for $10 for the plants, and I need to get more. But be careful, make sure if you go outside you have to wear gloves and mask to protect yourself. And this is what we came up with. That's it, guys. We just did the simple and easy and affordable garden bed. I really wanted to have a greenhouse at my backyard, but For the meantime, I think I'm happy that I have a garden, bed to start with. Don't forget to give me like, share, and subscribe. It's Ma'am Sky.